Lagi lawas ang kanyang pang mais.
Dali.
Whoop.
Ay, wag yan na speaker. Ikaw naman. One more. Lagay mo sa kanyang head.
Sa head mo naman, sa head. Sa head.
Hindi pa pumapatak ay nagkikik na.
Pakababaw na kaligayahan ni Utoy.
Again. Again. Grandpa. Baby. Hindi niya nararamdaman kasi hindi mabigat. Huh? Again, Grandpa. Okay.
Nainitan ka na. Ang init eh, no?
Put it in your head. Put it in your head. Hop. Grandpa naman, Grandpa. Again in your head. Hindi niya mailagay sa head niya eh. Okay, put it in your head. Put it in your head. Again. Grandpa. Again. Baby.
Baby.
One more time.
So, with mom's cleanser too, 189.
189?
Daddy. Gusto pa niya ulo. Put it in your head. Go.
Tuloy.
Okay. Go put it in your head.
Uwi na. Okay. One.
Go put Grandpa.
Oh. One more time. Oh.
Again. Sa kanya namang head. Your head naman. Up. Yeah.
Go. Here. Go lang eh. Doon mo gusto ka.
Go get it. Grandpa. Put it in your head.
Planet.
Ayan. Ayaw na ng grandpa. Naku siya, pick up na baby. Pick up muna si baby.